All right, so this is a tour of the Cove at Pechanga, brand new swimming facility. Over here you've got one pool, some cabanas. You've got the main pool here. This is 21 and over. Pretty nice. Got some seats that kind of sit in the water there. Lots of seating. Open seating here, and if you have a cabana, some of the seats there, those are paid seats, but otherwise you got a cool, really cool pool here. Nice bar in the middle. Lots more cabanas on the other side. Over here, hotel in the background. And lots of seats open today because it is an oddly cold day for the summer. Got a nice little hot tub there. Now this is a smaller pool over here with more cabanas. There's lots of choices. That pool is just 3 feet. Got some good music pumping here at the pool. And over here they've got some bathrooms. Got a nice place to fill up your water bottle. Family bathroom here. And this is really nice. Lockers. And over here you've got some outdoor showers. And some little places to get ready over here. Got a nice kind of outdoor sitting area. You can have lunch here. Another view that way. And this is the family pool area, which has the awesome water slides. Got 2 water slides. One is covered, the other is open. Going on both. One's really fast, the other one's a little slower. The covered one is the super fast one. The other one is a little bit slower, the open one. But really, really fun. Nice 3-foot pool here. And even more cabanas. The cool thing about this pool is you've got a little kind of area kids can wade into, so real little kids like that. More cabanas over there. Another hot tub over here, and nice splash pad for the kids. That water is pretty cold, of course. And there is the golf course out in the corner there. More cabanas. Cabanas are pretty nice. If you want to take a look inside one. Got a TV. A little fan. Little refrigerator with some water in there. Little phone and a safe. Nice place to lounge. See the whole hotel there. Another view of the pool. This is the main pool you've got there. And here you've got some places to play foosball and some shuffleboard. A little snack bar, which is kind of cool. And a nice big bar. It's got a nice bar overlooking the pool. It's pretty nice. Places to sit over here, nice big TVs to watch the game, and fire pits up here, kind of nice, especially good for today. and a nice restaurant here, which is pretty cool. And that's it. All right, there you have it. The tour of the Cove at Pechanga, brand new pool. Families, you can see a lot of families enjoying this, as well as couples and singles and whoever. So it's a very, very nice facility. Cool, thanks for watching, bye.